Hi, Danny of McAlpine Plumbing Products. Today I'm going to unbox our ST90CPB-P-53, which is our shallowest 90mm shower trap. So as you can see on the box itself, it's got the McAlpine block, as we like to call it, and it's got the all-important Made in Britain stamp. Let's have a closer look. Once inside, we've got the installation instructions. We've got a 1.5" solvent weld adapter, got the trap body itself and 3 securing screws. I mean, as you can see already, I mean it's super shallow, 53mm top to bottom. We've gone with the solvent weld outlet primarily to keep that overall height as slim as possible. Remove the protective plastic cover plate. You can see it's a chrome on brass. It's quality, durable finish with a petal design. Remove that. The 3 securing screws basically fit in here, and that clamps down on the actual shower tray, so installation is dead easy. The flange itself is removable once in situ, so you can get access to the dip tube, so it's great from a maintenance perspective. And once it's actually fitted, this sits flush with the tray itself, so the chances of the flange getting kicked or damaged are minimal. It's got a 25mm water seal, and it's got a flow rate of 24 litres per minute. So there we have it, our shallowest 90mm shower trap offering. It's good to go.